Why try a bedtime yoga routine?
Bedtime yoga is a gentle way to unwind after a busy day. Practicing relaxing poses helps calm the mind, release body tension, and prepare for restful sleep. Even a short routine can make it easier to fall asleep and improve the quality of your rest. Let's explore a simple flow designed for better sleep.
Setting up for success.
Choose a quiet, dimly lit space where you won't be disturbed. Wear comfortable clothing and use a yoga mat or soft blanket. Silence notifications and take a few deep breaths before you begin. Creating a peaceful environment signals your mind and body that it's time to wind down.
Starting with deep breathing.
Begin your routine seated or lying on your back. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale gently through your nose, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for 1 to 2 minutes. Focusing on your breath starts to calm the nervous system and reduce stress.
Gentle stretching poses.
Move into child's pose by sitting back on your heels and stretching your arms forward. Follow with cat-cow stretches, gently arching and rounding your back. Next, try supine twist by lying down, bringing one knee across your body. Hold each pose for several breaths, relaxing deeper with each exhale.
Ending with guided relaxation.
Finish your yoga flow with legs up the wall pose. Lie on your back and rest your legs against a wall. Let your arms relax by your sides and close your eyes. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on slow breathing. This final relaxation helps quiet the mind and prepare you for deep sleep.
Tips for consistent results.
Try to practice this bedtime yoga routine every night around the same time. Avoid vigorous exercise or electronic screens right before bed. Listen to your body and adjust poses to suit your needs. With consistency, you may find it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed.